In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell tickets on Ticketmaster. If your plans have changed and you can't make an event, selling your tickets is quick and secure when you do it right. I'll walk you through each part clearly and share a few tips so you feel confident before you list. Start by logging into your Ticketmaster account on the website or app. Make sure you sign in to the same account where your tickets were originally purchased or transferred. If you have multiple accounts, double check which one holds the tickets to avoid confusion later. Next, check eligibility. Not every event or ticket type can be resold, especially if the organizer has restrictions or if the event uses non-transferable entry. Look for a sell button next to your tickets. If you see it, you're good to proceed. If it's missing, your tickets may not be eligible for resale on Ticketmaster. Now, select the specific ticket or tickets you want to sell. Confirm the event date, section, row, and seat number so you don't accidentally list the wrong seats. If your tickets are grouped, you may be able to choose some or all, depending on the event's rules. Set your price and payout method. For pricing, compare similar seats in the same section to stay competitive. Keep in mind that service fees apply and the amount you take home will be shown before you confirm. If you want to sell quickly, pricing slightly below the current market often helps. For your payout, choose a method available in your region, such as direct deposit. Make sure your details are accurate and complete. And be aware that you may need to provide tax information depending on local regulations. When you're ready, list the ticket, add any required details, review everything carefully, and publish. Your listing will appear on Ticketmaster for buyers to find, and you can usually edit the price or remove the listing later if your plans change, as long as it hasn't sold yet. Once sold, you'll get a confirmation from Ticketmaster, and the tickets will be transferred digitally to the buyer. No screenshots or manual sending needed. The platform handles delivery securely by updating the barcodes. Your payout will follow the timeline shown in your account. In some cases, funds are released after the event takes place. Keep an eye on your email and your account's order history for status updates. That's it. By logging in, confirming eligibility, selecting the right tickets, setting a smart price and payout, listing confidently, and watching for the sale, you can sell your Ticketmaster tickets with minimal hassle and maximum peace of mind.